Hello friends, this is Dr. Manisha, your IT tutor. Today I come with a new video on what is data science, how we can define the concept of data science. So let's start with our explanation. Please don't close or skip the video. Please watch it from beginning to end. So let's start with our explanation. What is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field which uses scientific methods and algorithms. Data science is an interdisciplinary field which uses scientific methods and algorithms to work on structured and unstructured data to extract the meaningful insight from it. So, as a data scientist, as a data engineer, or as a data analyst, what you have to do? By using different scientific methods and algorithms, you have to work on structured or unstructured data to extract the meaningful insights from it. You have to understand the business problem. For that purpose, you have to study the data, and by applying different scientific methods, by applying different algorithms, by applying different machine learning algorithms, you have to extract the meaningful insights or meaningful information from that data to make the predictions, to make the decisions. So this is about the data science. Data science combines the knowledge of programming concepts, mathematical concepts, statistical concepts. So as a data scientist, it is your role to combine the different concepts that are related to the programming language, the different concepts related to the mathematics, different concepts related to the statistics, and by combining all that concepts, you have to write the appropriate algorithm. By using machine learning algorithm, you can understand your data and you can extract the meaningful information or meaningful insights from the data to make the predictions, to make the decisions. So how you can work on your data? Data is nothing but it is the study. Data science is nothing but it is the study of data. So to read the data, to understand the data, first you have to collect the data. After collecting the data, you have to make some transformation of your raw data, because whatever you have collected, that data is raw data, and you have to convert it into the analyzable format. You have to normalize your data, you have to pre-process your data, and you have to make it into the analyzable format. After that, you have to build the model and you have to test the model. After testing your model, finally you can make the predictions, finally you can make the decisions. So this is about the data science. In the definition, here you can see data is of two types. That types are structured data and unstructured data. So what is mean by structured data and what is mean by unstructured data? So when you go for the job in the industry after completion of your data science course, you will get a job as a data scientist or as a data engineer or as a data analyst. So it's your role is to understand the data, to understand the business problem first, then you have to study whatever the business problem, you have to study the related data, and you have to extract the meaningful information from the data by using different scientific methods, by applying different machine learning algorithms, and finally you can extract the meaningful information, and as per what is your business problem, you can provide the decisions, or you can get the results for that particular business problem. So this is nothing but data science concept or data science definition. So data is of two types, structured data and unstructured data. In the next slide, you can see what is meant by structured data and what is meant by unstructured data. So let's start with the next slide, structured data and unstructured data. So structured data means which is in the form of proper structure. Unstructured data means it has no any specific structure. The data which has no any specific structure, it is called unstructured data. The data which has a specific structure, it is called a structured data. The structured data is in the form of table, that is in the form of rows and column. Here you can see in this slide the example of student information table. So student information table is in the form of rows and columns. The columns are roll number, student name, class, semester and address, and rows are nothing but the specific information of the student. So this is the example of structured data. What are the examples of unstructured data? The data which is in the form of text files, which are in the form of different documentations, the data which is in the form of images, data which is in the form of audio files, video files, different kinds of emails, data coming from the social media, data coming from the web. All these are the example of unstructured data. So what you have to do? You have to understand your data as per the business problem. By using the appropriate machine learning algorithm, you can work on your data, you can make the models, and finally you can make the predictions, you can make the decisions for your business problem. So this is about the data science concept, structured data and unstructured data. I hope you like this video. I will bring you the series of different videos on data science, different videos on machine learning. So please press bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Please subscribe our channel. Please like, comment and share our channel or video link for the knowledge purpose. Thank you friends. Keep watching our channel. Thank you.